Ryan Colcord here, realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for the Marples property management team. If you're looking to purchase a home, contact me. I'd love to help you start on that process. In the meantime, I am here at 22 South Lake Drive, Unit B in Antioch, California. So I'm standing out front. It's a nice 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, downstairs unit. And this is your driveway. It looks like recently paved here. And you got one assigned covered parking spot. And then back there is the shared laundry facility. It looks like you get a little storage. I believe this property comes with the lake access as well. Don't quote me on that. Contact us for more information. As you walk in here, you can see the living family room. You got nice LVP flooring in here, easy to clean, low maintenance. You walk into the kitchen. Good height on the ceilings. You got a pantry. This one has a nice backyard access. A little more room than the other unit, due to the location. Gas stove, dishwasher, and fridge. To the right, you got bedroom number 1. This one's got an LVP floor as well. Ceiling fan and light. Good size room. It's your window. Your window's facing the parking, so you can kind of look out there. And the second bedroom here is carpet. And this is the backyard view. Good size rooms. And then you got your bathroom here. Shower over tub. Nice pictures. You got a little extra storage here. And there you have it, 22 South Lake Drive, Antioch, California, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Contact me for a showing.